This kitchen waste can turn your dying plant into a green and healthy miracle, and most people throw it away. Stop throwing eggshells in the trash. They can boost your plant growth faster than chemical fertilizers. One simple eggshell trick and your plants grow stronger, greener, and healthier naturally. Crushed eggshells add calcium to soil and make plants grow stronger. Just sprinkle eggshell powder around the plant and watch the magic. Eggshell water works like a natural fertilizer for plants.
Turn your kitchen waste into powerful organic plant food.
Plants grow faster when they get natural calcium from eggshells. Crush eggshells finely for better soil absorption.
Eggshell fertilizer is perfect for indoor plants too.
Weak plants become healthy with natural nutrients.
Store eggshell powder and use it anytime in your garden.
Mix eggshells in compost for extra plant nutrition. Organic fertilizers keep your garden chemical-free. Eggshells also protect plants from pests and insects. Natural fertilizers improve soil quality over time. Water helps nutrients reach the plant roots faster. Tomatoes love calcium from eggshell fertilizer. Simple natural tricks can give amazing results.
Use eggshell fertilizer once every week.
Healthy soil means healthy plants. Organic gardening is safe and eco-friendly. From kitchen waste to plant food in minutes. Eggshell nutrients strengthen plant roots. Try this eggshell fertilizer today and boost your plant growth naturally.